Hello everybody, welcome to Real and Virtual Outdoors. And today we're going to do another cooking video. We're going to do some hobo burgers, or what we refer to as hobo burgers, tinfoil dinners, or whatever you want to call them. But we're going to show you the ingredients, and then we're going to cook one and show you all the finished product. So the meat here we're using turkey meat. And we have Worcestershire sauce, chopped onions in there. We're going to use turkey meat to make this a more low-calorie, friendly meal. Okay, so if we go to the vegetable tray, we have fresh out green beans, carrots that we cut into sticks, corn, and some thinly sliced red potatoes. And when you get all that together and you put the meat patty on top of it, this is what it looks like. And we're going to wrap this up really tight, but we're going to put a little butter on top of it, wrap it up tight, and you want to spray the foil with some kind of cooking spray that will help the vegetables not stick. And we also have a little Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning or seasoning salt in the meat patty. Now, you don't have to use this if you want to keep this low sodium. You can, of course, use a low salt product. Okay, we're going to cook these at 375 for 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And then we're going to get a finished product, and we're going to show you what it looks like. We'll be right back with you. Thank you. Hello everybody. Okay, so we're going to show you all how we've got these wrapped up. I'm going to suggest that you put them on a cookie sheet if you're cooking them in the oven. Cooking them outside on an open flame, you probably don't need to do this, but we're gonna do it on a cookie sheet. You need to use heavy duty foil. If you try to use cheaper foil, you're gonna make a mess. We salt and peppered the vegetables, and of course that's optional on the salt. And we got these wrapped up real tight, and they're going to go in at 375 for 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. We'll see you shortly. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to now look at the finished product. It's been in the oven for 45 minutes on 375, and we did check it 30 minutes in. They wasn't quite done yet, so it's going to take 45 minutes on 375 in electric oven. Okay, if you want to have a look here at meat patties cooked real nice, the vegetables are cooked, they're tender, and we're going to have these for lunch next week. This is a low calorie, easy meal anybody can fix. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you try this recipe, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for viewing my video. Thank you for being part of the Real and Virtual Outdoors family. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop another one of these cooking videos, and give me a thumbs up on the way out. Have a nice day, everybody.